Hello everyone and welcome back to another video. In this video, my friend Timmy and I, you can see him over there, have hiked to a unknown location, and we're going to be doing some fishing today. We've never fished this area. It was a nice 50-degree weather day, which is quite strange for February, so we decided to get outside, enjoy the weather, and hopefully do some fishing. Let me get over on the rocks. Here it is. It's pretty awesome. Hopefully you guys can still hear me, but we'll try doing some fishing here. See if we can catch anything. Hello there. Hi Timmy. Wow. Dude, it's literally a hobbit. Got the tuna sub from Wawa. Always a classic. For some reason they were doing a discount, so I got these like half off, which is pretty nice. You could like sleep on this. Is it wet, Timmy? Yeah. It's fine. Oh. Timmy's taking a nap. Such a sweet spot.
Dude, I was just here at night.
Oh yeah.
It's nice here.
Alright, we have decided to move spots. No bites here, unfortunately. Lead the way, Timmy. Timmy woke up from his nap. He slept on there for like a good 10 minutes. Well, the fishing ain't going too well, but we're having a lot of fun just hiking next to the stream. You can tell, look at that big, hard to see, big waterfall there. Hopefully you can get a better view of it from the bottom. We wanted to try to fish up there, but there's no spot from the riverbank to really fish, unfortunately. I'm gonna attempt to scale this little cliff down to the base of the waterfall. Oh wow, look at those rocks. Yeah. That's a good spot. Yeah. Real good spot. There's gotta be something living in there. Pretty steep.
I like this spot even more.
Wow, look at this. Got some deep water here. Yo, Timmy. Dude, look at that. It almost looked like there was a bear in that cave. You see that? But it's just a rock in there. Wow, look at this place.
It's very deep.
Oh yeah, wow. Wow. You gotta come here in the summer.
Yeah.
Probably jump off that rock a little bit.
I'm gonna mark this.
Yeah. Timmy and I are just finding so many cool spots that we're definitely gonna check out in the summer. Maybe do some swimming or something, because it is very deep in this water. You could barely see the bottom, which is very surprising. I wonder if there's any worms around. Timmy really wanted to check out the crevice over there, and yo, you should take that backpack off. Maybe that backpack.
It's too cold. I'm not doing it. It's
You're not doing it? Alright, he gave up. Dude, you're already soaking wet. You might as well just commit now.
Oh, it's a little deeper over there though. It's a little deeper than it looks.
Oh.
I don't want to get everything wet.
Too cold. I mean, it is February. I wasn't recording, but I was just fishing a moment ago and actually saw a pretty sizable trout follow my line. Didn't strike, but I definitely know that they're in there now, so I'm gonna keep trying, casting some more. Hopefully we can get one. I'm gonna try to do something crazy. I think I'm gonna try to cast my line over the waterfall just to see, I don't know, just to say I did it. Never done anything like this before. I'm gonna stand right on the edge. I'm gonna cast it right over. Alright, so my fishing rod got snagged, but it's so weird. There's this like really hot air that I just keep feeling hot air get blown down this little ravine. I've never felt that before because it's only like 40 degrees. And then Timmy says he thinks he sees a cave underneath the waterfall. So, is there a cave?
It's not deep, but like you could go under the waterfall.
Well, let's go. We're gonna go check out this cave. Might be a little crazy, but
Get your wallet.
Yeah,
Leave it here.
I have my wallet.
You have everything?
Yeah. All right, we're just gonna leave everything and.
Dude, your thing is stuck.
Yeah.
You have to go in the cave.
Yeah.
And pick it out.
Maybe we could get my lure. Oh man. A little dicey, a little steep. Look at this. Oh my god. This is so cool.
The lure is like right there.
Really?
Yeah. See the line?
Dude, there's like metal in here.
What?
There's metal or something. It's nuts.
You think that's like natural gas coming out of it? That's why it's warm?
Maybe, could be. Is that bad? What if there's like coal burning underneath the ground? That's so cool, dude. Yo, this is so neat. Actually, like a cave under a waterfall. Like only see this in movies. There's my line. It's hard to see. Oh, I see it. It's right there. There it is, guys. I found my lure. Look at that. That's crazy. Alright, well it's unstuck now. What the heck? Yeah. Dude. This is crazy. It's like your golem.
I know.
It's legal. That's so neat. Wow. What's in there?
I don't know.
Is it hot?
Not really. It's like a white light.
A white?
Yeah, the rocks are like reflecting light.
Oh my god, dude. Oh, I see.
You see that?
Yeah, what? What the heck?
It's like brighter in there.
Yeah, it is. That's weird.
Yeah, it goes pretty far. It's back there.
Yeah,
To the right, it goes around that rock and goes farther.
Alright, let's see if I can actually get this thing up now. Hopefully it doesn't snag Timmy. I can say I've never climbed down a waterfall to get a lure before, so that's a first. We just found something crazy in the middle of the woods. It makes sense, look at this. This might have been a coal mine trail or something. Ooh. Huh. Nobody's home. Anybody home? What was that?
Oh, no way.
Yo, look at it.
No
Yo,
way.
get close to it. Get close to it. Yo, look at that. Dude. Oh, that's something, huh? Railroad tie. Or I don't know what exactly it is.
Yeah, I want to check this
Here,
out.
try to mine it out. Got the pickaxe right here. Oh, it's dark in this, friends. It's quiet though. What are you seeing? Alright. We're in the cave. Oh, we're in the cave. Dude is oh, are you good?
Mining.
He's mining right now. The Minecraft 2, kind of realistic.
I don't know what that is. It's not.
You got some?
Oh, some rocks.
You got some rocks?
Gotta be careful with some broken glass.
Yeah. Oh, it's like a little wall. It's neat. What the heck? Is that it?
Yeah. It was like sparkling though.
This is it. Oh, ew. It's like a mold or something. I just brushed it off with my finger.
It's coming off?
Yeah.
But why was it sparkling?
Maybe it's bioluminescent or whatever.
Nah. I don't know.
Is anything in there?
Looks like a bear cave.
You think there's a bear in there?
I don't know, maybe.
Yeah. I don't want to go in there.
You could fit.
Bro, what? Oh my gosh, dude. Timmy, can you see the end of it?
Yeah, I think so.
Alright, I don't want there to be a bear in there. Oh my god. Do you see anything on the walls?
No, it was just wet.
Crazy stuff. Middle of nowhere. Definitely, dude, is something coming? Oh, it's a plane. Yo. Yo, what? There's a plane just doing stunts. What is this video, dude? That's crazy.
Alright, we gotta get out here.
Yeah, it's gonna start getting dark soon, so.
Before we get attacked by something.
Yeah. Alright, somehow we gotta get way up that mountain. In like 10 minutes. Alright, let's do it.